What's up, everybody? I am Jazzy Denise, and thank you for clicking on this video today. So I'm gonna show you guys how I got this cute little blue eyeshadow look. This was actually date night, so I decided to just go ahead and record the look for y'all, and I hope you guys enjoy it. If you're ready, go ahead and stay tuned. So first things first, I'm going to go ahead and take that sandy brown color and pop it right into my crease. This is going to act as the base transition color that I'm going to build the rest of the look off of. And once I'm done blending that to perfection, I'm going to go into a different palette and take that purpley color and pop that right up under my crease color. Now to brighten up the lid, I'm going to take some concealer and put that all over my eyelid, and I'm going to blend that out. What this is going to do is just kind of create a base, so once I put the blue on, it'll be a little more vibrant. Alright, so taking this NYX Ultimate palette, I'm going to go into the darkest blue in that palette, and I'm just going to pack that all over the middle to inner third of my eyelid. We're going to leave the outer third bare, just the middle to inner third of the eyelid. Taking any black that you have, go ahead and take that and put it on the outer third of the eyelid and begin using it to smoke out the color. So you're going to begin creating kind of like a smoky eye effect with that black. Using any dark brown, take that and use it to blend together that black and your original sandy brown transition. So that way you have a nice gradient smoky eye. Just taking all of the colors that you've previously used, make sure everything is blended together well. When you do an eyeshadow look, it's all about blending. So you want to just go back in, make sure your crease is blending in with your transition, make sure the base color that's on the eyelid is nice and vibrant and it looks good contrasting against anything else. Just make the look perfect in your own way. So eyeliner is hard for me off camera, but I decided to give it a try on camera. So I do apologize if I'm going in and out, up and down, but it was a struggle. After I get my eyeliner on, I'm going to take the same highlight I'm going to use at the end of my makeup look and pop that right up under my brow bone. And moving on to the face, we're going to take our beauty blender and our foundation, whatever kind we're using for the day, and just pat that all on and blend it into our coverage liking. Now for one of my favorite parts of doing makeup, it is highlighting and contouring time. So I'm going to take the lightest color in that concealer palette. Why do I mess that word up every time I say it? In that concealer palette, and I'm going to go ahead and spot it onto my face all over where I would like to be highlighted at. So you see how I drew those two lines on my face? I like to do that kind of as a guide for my contour, and in the end I will go ahead and buff it out as best as I can, but it kind of just makes your contour sit a little more cut, okay sis? So yeah, that's why I do that. And I'm gonna take my beauty blender and just blend it all out really good. And to go ahead and add some shadows to my face, I'm going with the darkest color in that concealer palette. And I'm just gonna go ahead and carve out my contour. I like to do my cheeks, my nose, my jawline, and now I'll do my forehead as well. I didn't always do that, but I do it now. And we're just gonna buff it out really good. And I know it looks a little light right now, but this concealer palette likes to oxidize. So as it sits and once we put all of our powder on, it'll look beautiful. Once those concealers are blended, I'm gonna take the respective powder colors and set that highlight and set that contour. So our face won't be moving anywhere today. Before I dust away all my excess powder, I like to go in and blend it together first with my beauty blender. It's just something I always did. I think it kind of just brings the look together a little bit better than dusting it away and then trying to blend. And I actually don't dust it away. I use my foundation color to go ahead and set the entire look. Once I'm done blending everything, I'm going to set my face with some setting spray and do my lashes off camera. Once I'm back, I'm gonna go ahead and do my lips. And I'm using MAC's Cork Lip Pencil, and I filled in my lips with a hot pink gloss. This actual lip color was something I had in my cabinet. I just kind of found it. So just find something around this color if you want to use that lip combo I got going on. Put my highlight on after I set my face because I think it gives you a better glow, and as you can see, I was feeling the glow. So I'm just gonna go ahead and highlight my face everywhere I think I should be highlighted at, and that's pretty much it for this makeup look. So this is the finished look. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you all enjoyed this video, and if you've made it this far, please subscribe to the channel. It's fun, it's fast, and it's free. Alright, until the next video, be you, be beautiful. See you later.